Here it is, the supersonic passenger jet aerospatiale BAC Concorde, one of only 20 ever built, and one of 2 you can see in a museum alongside the Soviet Tu-144. The Concorde reached speeds of over Mach 2, that's more than 2,100 kilometers per hour. Passengers could cross the Atlantic from Paris to New York in just 3.5 hours. The first flight of the Concorde took place in 1969, and commercial operations began in 1976. It was a true engineering marvel, with a movable nose, a slender fuselage, and incredible aerodynamics. At the Sinsheim Museum, you can not only see the Concorde but also go inside, walk through the narrow cabin, peek into the cockpit, and feel yourself soaring at an altitude of 18,000 meters. Next to the Concorde is the Soviet Tu-144. 2 competitors, 2 eras, 2 dreams of a supersonic future. Sinsheim is the place where history comes alive. Subscribe if you want to hear more stories about legendary technology. See you at the museum.